Well, as we continue on with our project here, I wanted to show you where we were at. We're on the carport, and we're fighting the wind again today. If anybody knows how to buffer the noise of the wind over a microphone on a camera like this, would you please let me know? This last video has had some terrible noise in it from the wind. Anyway, here are the rafters for our trusses, and there's a total of 26 of these. We get one cut on each end. Of course, when the truss is completed, I trim the other end off. And again, here is the jig that I created. Down here, this is the bottom cord, 16-foot 2x4s that have the sharp angle cut on each end. So there are 16 of those with 2 cuts each. And then a step over here into the wind. Then this is the short side of the webbing. 13 of the bottom cord. There are 26 of the other members. But of the webbing here, then this one has 3 cuts on it, and the longer piece, there's 4 cuts on it. So you got a double angle here, and you got a double angle on that end up there. And my son-in-law was gracious enough to come out yesterday and help me, and we cut all of these parts and assembled these in our jig here. And I'm backing up, trying to keep the wind off the microphone. And so as we complete these and I trim off the ends, then this is the finished product. As you can see here, and we managed to assemble 6 of these. And so that was a big help with his assistance. And so I want to build one for you and show you loading the jig and applying the gussets, and we'll do that now. can see a little bit of glue oozing out right there. I like for just a little bit to ooze out, but not much. I wanted to ooze out right there and it didn't. But I'd rather see a little bit ooze out than none. It tells me that it spread well underneath the gusset. See me swarping and swatting. That's because of the mosquitoes. There's one bit me right there. Non-stop moving. I still got bit. The mosquitoes around here are awful. So there we have it. Truss completed. I have to measure and then cut the ends off, and then I showed you what the finished product was.